Hello everyone, I am Deborah and welcome back to my channel and another Angelina Jordan song review. I hope you're all doing well. I have to tell you guys, I have been on such a high with the good news as far as Angelina's record deal. So excited for her and this journey that she is about ready to take on. But I have to tell you, I had a low moment when the realization came to me that we may not see as much material from Angelina. Help you guys. If you help me, I will definitely help you, because this is definitely going to be a challenge, not hearing from our girl as often as we are all accustomed to, but we'll be okay. Now for today's song review. Titanium was written by David Guetta, Sia, Afrojack, and Georgia 2 and 4, and was performed by Australian artist Sia. This song was one of 4 promotional songs on David's Nothing But the Beat album. Although Sia did the vocals on this recording, this song was originally recorded by Mary J. Blige, and her version was leaked in April of 2011, approximately 5-6 months prior to the album being dropped in December of 2011. Titanium is found in most living things and is considered to be the most biocompatible element, not being harmful or toxic to living tissue. Some of the elements of titanium are: is twice as strong as aluminum, is naturally resistant to corrosion, it doesn't occur naturally, and it has a high melting point. The lyrics to this song are about inner strength and the ability to overcome obstacles. Today, Angelina takes us on a lyrical journey through titanium.
Shout it out, but I can hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. Criticize, but all your bullets ricochet. You shut me down, but I get up. Nothing to lose, fire away, fire away. Ricochet, you take your aim, fire away, fire away. Shut me down, but I won't fall. Not titanium. Shut me down, but I won't fall. Not titanium. Cut me down, but it's you who has further to fall. Goes down on the low. Raise your voice, sticks and stones may break my bones. Talking loud, not saying much. Nothing to lose, fire away, fire away. Ricochet, you take your aim, fire away, fire away. You shut me down, but I won't fall. Not titanium. You shut me down, but I won't fall. Not titanium.
들어줬기라.
Yeah, that was priceless. As we can all see, her guitarist ego also enjoyed that journey as well. And And it wasn't until the end that Jordan realized just how much he was enjoying that song. And she glanced at him and saw that head moving, and she got so tickled, tickled by it. And obviously, so did we. And another thing, I don't know if you guys know that expression to get tickled by something, but we say here if something unexpectedly causes you to laugh, then you get tickled by it. And that was obviously a moment for them and as well as for us. But Eagle, we cannot blame you there. We were lost in that song as well. So you do your thing. He was just vibing, y'all. Now, the interesting thing about titanium and knowing the characteristics behind it, as well as us all knowing Angelina, I would have to say Angelina is twice as strong. I have never seen her veer away from any song that other people may say are bigger than she is. She is resistant to corrosion. Angelina knows exactly who she is, so any potential negativity that may come her way will not have any impact on her whatsoever. Does not occur naturally. Angelina Jordan is our gift from God. High melting point. I have never seen this girl sweat. Angelina is confident in all situations, and in every performance, she owns it. So, Angelina, thank you again for such a beautiful performance. You never fail to impress us. And I also want to thank you guys for joining me. And if you enjoyed this performance as well, please do give it a thumbs up and please do share. And I would also love if you will become part of my YouTube family by pressing that subscribe button below. And always, guys, remember to stay safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see all of you real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say. Thank you all so very much.